3 years ago, my English was not good. I could understand a little, but speaking felt stressful. Whenever somebody asked me a question in English, my brain froze. I translated everything in my head. I worried about grammar mistakes. I worried about pronunciation. And honestly, I lacked confidence. Maybe you feel the same way right now. Maybe you study English every day but still feel nervous speaking. If that sounds familiar, then this video is for you. Because in this lesson, I'm going to share the exact mindset and methods that help me become fluent in English while living in my own country without moving abroad. And the best part is you can do these same methods from your home, no matter where you live. Welcome back to Daily Easy English. If you want to improve your English naturally and confidently, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. I will become fluent in English. Now relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. The biggest mistake many English learners make is believing that fluency comes from memorizing grammar rules. For years, I thought the same thing. I watched grammar lessons. I studied tenses. I memorized vocabulary lists. But when it was time to speak, I still struggled. Why? Because speaking English is not only about knowledge. Speaking is automatic. Think about riding a bicycle. When you ride a bicycle, you do not consciously think about every movement. Your body simply knows what to do. The same thing happens when you speak your native language. You do not stop to think about grammar rules before every sentence. You simply speak. That automatic ability is what many language learners are missing. If you want to become fluent in English, your brain needs to develop automatic English patterns. Not just conscious knowledge, but unconscious skill. That is why immersion is so powerful. Immersion trains your brain naturally through repeated exposure. Instead of forcing yourself to memorize rules, you begin absorbing English little by little through listening, repetition, and real communication. And honestly, this changes everything. Many learners spend years studying grammar, but never build real speaking confidence. Because during real conversation, there is no time to think about every grammar rule. Conversations move quickly. People ask questions immediately. They change topics quickly. They speak naturally. And if your brain depends entirely on conscious grammar thinking, speaking becomes slow and stressful. That is why many learners understand grammar perfectly but still cannot communicate comfortably. Now, let me tell you something important. I am not saying grammar is useless. Grammar can help you understand the structure of English. But grammar alone will never make you fluent. Fluency comes from exposure, repetition, and automatic understanding. The same way children learn language naturally. Children do not study grammar books for years before speaking. They listen constantly. They observe constantly. They repeat constantly. And slowly, their brain builds automatic language patterns. That is exactly what immersion does. Immersion surrounds your brain with English until English slowly feels natural instead of foreign. And the beautiful thing is, you do not need to live in America or England to create immersion. You can build immersion from your own home. Right now, look around your room. Everything has an English name. Desk, phone charger, curtains, bottle, mirror, pillow, headphones. Your environment can become your English classroom. One of the most powerful habits I developed was speaking my actions out loud in English. At first, my sentences were extremely simple. I'm opening the door. I'm making coffee. I'm washing the dishes. I'm checking my emails. Simple. But those simple sentences trained my brain every single day. And over time, speaking became more natural. Many learners underestimate simple practice because they think fluency requires complicated methods. But real fluency grows from consistency. Small daily repetition creates long-term improvement. Another important habit was thinking in English. This habit completely changed the way I spoke English. Before, I translated everything mentally. But translation slows your speaking dramatically. When you translate constantly, your brain becomes overloaded. You hear English. You translate it. You think of a response in your native language. Then you translate your response back into English. That process creates hesitation and anxiety. Fluent speakers think directly in English. And yes, this skill takes time to develop. At first, it feels uncomfortable, but eventually, your brain adapts. One simple exercise helped me tremendously. Whenever I walked outside, I described the world around me silently in English. The weather feels nice today. That cafe looks crowded. The street is noisy today. I should buy groceries later. These tiny mental exercises slowly retrained my brain. And over time, English thoughts started appearing naturally. Listening also played a huge role in my journey. Honestly, listening may be the most important part of immersion. Because before you can speak naturally, your brain must hear natural English repeatedly. Your ears need exposure to rhythm, pronunciation, sentence structure, and emotional expression. One mistake many learners make is choosing content that is far too difficult. Then they become frustrated because they cannot understand everything. But here is the truth. You do not need to understand every word to improve. If you understand around 70% of the message, that is already enough for learning. Your brain slowly fills the missing gaps through repeated exposure. At first, I listened to simple English videos and slow conversations. Later, I moved to podcasts, interviews, documentaries, and movies. I also learned something very important. The best English content is content you genuinely enjoy. If you force yourself to watch boring educational videos every day, eventually you will lose motivation. But if you enjoy travel videos, watch travel videos. If you enjoy gaming content, watch gaming content. If you enjoy documentaries, podcasts, or movies, use those. Enjoyment makes consistency easier. And consistency creates fluency. Another method that helped me tremendously was shadowing. Shadowing means listening to native speech and immediately repeating it like an echo. For example, how was your day? Repeat it immediately. How was your day? I've been practicing English every day recently. Repeat it immediately. I've been practicing English every day recently. Shadowing improves pronunciation, rhythm, speed, and speaking confidence all at the same time. It also trains your mouth and brain to work together naturally. At first, shadowing felt difficult for me. Native speakers sounded too fast. But little by little, my ears adapted. And after enough repetition, certain sentence patterns became automatic. If this lesson is helping you, support Daily Easy English by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and commenting below. English is becoming natural for me. Now, let's talk about another huge problem: fear. Many English learners are not actually afraid of English. They are afraid of embarrassment, afraid of sounding awkward, afraid of bad pronunciation, afraid of making mistakes. But every fluent English speaker once sounded awkward too. Nobody becomes fluent before practicing. Confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after repeated action. And honestly, mistakes are part of fluency. Every mistake teaches your brain something valuable. So instead of fearing mistakes, use them as feedback. Another important thing I learned is that fluency is not perfection. Many learners think fluency means speaking perfect English all the time. But even native speakers make mistakes. Real fluency means communicating comfortably and naturally. That is the real goal. You also do not need 10 hours daily to improve your English. You simply need consistency. Even one focused hour every day can completely transform your English over time. For example, 20 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking, 20 minutes shadowing or reading. Simple habits, repeated consistently. That is how real progress happens. And remember, motivation comes and goes. Some days you will feel excited to practice. Other days you will feel tired or discouraged. Practice anyway, because fluency is built through repetition, not temporary motivation. Another dangerous habit is comparing yourself to other English learners online. Some people improve quickly. Others improve slowly. But everyone has a different journey. Focus on your own improvement. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. And maybe today your English still feels uncomfortable. Maybe speaking still feels scary sometimes. That is normal. Every fluent speaker started exactly where you are right now. The difference is simple. They continued. Thank you so much for spending time with Daily Easy English. If this video motivated you, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. I will continue my English journey.
Keep listening. Keep speaking.
Keep immersing yourself in English every single day. And I'll see you in the next lesson. If you want to improve your English naturally and confidently, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. English is becoming part of my daily life. Now relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. Many English learners spend years studying, but still feel nervous speaking. And honestly, that can feel frustrating. You learn grammar rules. You memorize vocabulary. You watch lesson after lesson. But when somebody asks you a simple question in English, your mind suddenly goes blank. Why does this happen? Because language is not only knowledge. Language is reaction. Language is habit. Language is emotional comfort. You can know thousands of words, but if your brain is not used to using English naturally, speaking will still feel stressful. When people hear the word immersion, they often imagine moving to another country. But real immersion is much simpler than that. Immersion means surrounding your brain with English consistently enough that English slowly becomes familiar instead of foreign. Think about how children learn language. Children do not learn language through translation. They connect words with actions, with emotions, with repetition, with real situations. That is why immersion works so well. Right now, look around your room. Everything you see has an English name.
Chair.
Curtains, mirror, bottle, laptop, desk lamp, headphones, backpack. Your environment can become your English classroom. One of the most powerful immersion habits is narrating your daily actions in English. I'm opening the window. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my phone. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm washing the dishes. Simple sentences repeated daily train your brain naturally. Many learners can understand English, but struggle to speak fluently. That is because understanding is passive. Speaking is active. Your mouth needs repetition. Your brain needs faster connections. Your tongue needs practice. At first, speaking English feels awkward because your brain is building a completely new communication system. And let's be honest for a moment. Many people are not actually afraid of English. They are afraid of embarrassment, afraid of making mistakes, afraid of bad pronunciation, afraid of sounding awkward. But every fluent English speaker once sounded awkward too. Nobody becomes fluent before practicing. Fluency comes from speaking badly first, then improving over time. One major reason speaking feels slow is translation. Many learners hear English, translate it mentally, then build a response in their native language before translating back into English again. That process creates hesitation. Fluent speakers think directly in English. Tomorrow, when you walk outside, try silently describing the world around you in English. The weather feels nice today. That cafe looks crowded. I need to buy groceries later. The street is noisy today. These small mental exercises slowly retrain your brain. Listening is also one of the most important parts of immersion. Your ears need daily exposure to natural English rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence flow. One major mistake learners make is choosing content far above their level. When everything feels impossible to understand, motivation disappears. Real learning happens when you understand most of the message, even if you miss some words. If you understand around 70% of what you hear, that is enough for progress. Your brain naturally fills the missing pieces over time. If you are a beginner, start with simple English videos and slow conversations. If you are intermediate, watch interviews, podcasts, and daily life content. And if you are advanced, challenge yourself with documentaries, movies, and real discussions. One of the fastest ways to improve speaking naturally is shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately, like an echo. How's your day going? Repeat it. How's your day going? I'm trying to improve my English every day. Repeat it. I'm trying to improve my English every day. Shadowing trains pronunciation, rhythm, speed, and confidence at the same time. And after enough repetition, certain sentence patterns start becoming automatic. If this lesson is helping you, support Daily Easy English by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and commenting below. I will become fluent through immersion. You do not need to study English for 10 hours every day. You need consistency. Even one focused hour daily can completely change your English over time. 20 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking, 20 minutes shadowing or reading. Simple habits create powerful long-term results. Motivation feels amazing, but motivation comes and goes. Some days you will feel excited to study. Other days you will feel tired or discouraged. Practice anyway, because fluency is built through repetition, not temporary motivation. One of the best parts of immersion is that learning can become enjoyable. Movies, music, podcasts, travel videos, gaming content, documentaries. The more emotionally connected you feel to the content, the easier your brain remembers the language. Another dangerous habit is comparing your English journey to other people online. Some learners improve quickly, others improve slowly, but consistency always wins in the long run. Remember this clearly. Fluency is not knowing every word in the dictionary. Fluency is being comfortable communicating with the words you already know. Maybe today your English still feels slow. Maybe speaking still makes you nervous. That is completely normal. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The difference is simple. They continued.